Okay, I'm going to show how to set up a new blade. In the machine I've loaded a blade with vary pitch. It's 11 teeth in one group. Blade dimension is 27 times 27 and 0.9 millimeters. Okay, and I'm going to store this one in a recipe. I set the name here, blade test, blade test 1. Okay, I will enter the bend dimension, 26.7 is it actually, 0.9, burn off is okay, 6 millimeters. I want the length in 370 millimeters. The tolerance is plus minus 5 millimeters, that's okay. And then here it says regular pitch, that's wrong. This blade has vary pitch. Okay, I'm going to define my pitch. The machine also asks if I want to save. Yes, I will. Okay. Here I start to tell the machine my group length. It's 11 teeth in one group. The screen rebuilds. For now, every teeth is the same, but in reality, that's not the fact. You can do this in two ways. You can either enter pitch by pitch from a drawing or so, 4 point, I don't know, and the screen will update when you write new values. Or you can make a teach function here, which I will show you in a minute. Okay, I will show the teach function. I've set it up with 11 teeth, as you saw, and I start the teach function now. Okay, that's it. And the screen has updated with new values. Okay, now the machine has found all the pitches and entered the distance between all the teeth. And the next thing to do now is to set up the welding rules. If I want to rotate the pitch pattern, I can do it by press this arrow. For example, this gullet is the one with my 0 teeth, and if I want it on the first place, I can simply push this a few times. There it is, 4.34. Now I'm going to add my welding rules. I can do this in very easily. I can tell if it's only allowed to weld in, for example, this gullet. I just do like this, and I enter where I want my final weld in millimeters behind the tooth tip. And I enter 2 millimeters. Now the machine is ready to run. All my cuts will be in this gullet, and it will automatically add a burn off in both ends. If I want another welding, I can add, and I can combine the welding with a color match function like this. I can show you. Now, for example, I tell the machine that the first welding can be either this or this, doesn't matter, and the second welding the same. It will choose the one who matches the length the best. green will always match with green. So if I, for example, press this until it gets yellow, now I'll tell the machine, the first cut you can make the green, the yellow, or the green or the yellow, doesn't matter. But if you make a green in the first cut, you will also have to make a green in the second cut. And the same with the yellow. In this way I can match, if I, for example, only want to match a 0 tooth with another 0, I choose, for example, green, or a right tooth with another right. Oh, sorry. I can choose yellow. But in this case I will only, I'm satisfied with the where it is. Come on. Like this. I want the welding in my first gullet. Okay. Okay, I set up the machine, loaded the blade into the machine. The set pattern and the welding rules are already defined. I've ordered 2 pieces in the tray 1 in our magazine with a length of 370 millimeters. Okay, so I start the machine. Okay. Sure. Okay. These are the pieces. I have a burn off in 6 millimeters, and I overlap this by 6 millimeters. I can see I have a perfect tooth match.